Hello, viewers. Hope you are all well. Before I begin, I would advise all my viewers to check links of valuable resources related to CSCP exam in the description box of my video. Let's start with question number 1. A measure which tests how much increased production could a company achieve and sustain in a 30-day period is called A. Upside supply chain adaptability, B. Upside supply chain flexibility, C. Upside responsiveness, D. Upside reliability. The correct answer is A. According to SCORE, Supply Chain Operations Reference Model Scorecard, upside supply chain adaptability measures how much increased production can a company increase and maintain in 30 days. Question number 2. Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism is by voluntary participation. Acceptance is based on A. Completing an application with a fee paid, B. Completing an application and submitting to an audit, C. Completing an application and agreeing to specific actions, D. Completing an application and complying with the security portion of an ISO audit. The correct answer is C. Custom Trade Partnership Against Terrorism is a voluntary membership by business. A business must submit an online application and agree to specific actions which include an assessment by the company according to CTPAT guidelines, submitting a supply chain questionnaire to the US Customs, developing and implementing a process of enhanced security, communicating the guidelines to all the trading partners in the supply chain. Question number 3. A successful evaluation of Custom Trade Partnership Against Terrorism application results in many benefits for companies, including all of the following except A. Fewer inspections by the US Customs, B. Conferences provided by the US Customs, C. Access to CTPAT membership list, D. Self-policing of security procedures. The correct answer is B. The major benefit of Custom Trade Partnership Against Terrorism organization is to facilitate throughput of goods into and out of the USA in a time of heightened security caused by terrorism. While I am sure there are conferences put on by the US Customs for companies' benefit, it is not primary benefit of the organization. Question number 4. Which of the following industries were first offered Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism membership? A. Manufacturers, B. Carriers, C. Agents, D. Exporters. The correct answer is B. Carriers and importers were the first groups to be invited to join. The intent is to open the membership to all supply chain participants. Question number 5. Companies are subject to regulations including the Sarbanes-Oxley for financial reporting and internal controls. The SOX Act was enacted as a response to A. Terrorism Acts, B. Corporate scandal, C. Stock option fraud, D. Foreign competition. The correct answer is B. In 2002, the US Congress enacted Sarbanes-Oxley as a response to the many corporate scandals which had occurred, including Enron and WorldCom. It requires that companies disclose certain off-balance sheet transactions and that internal controls are well documented through detailed descriptions. Question number 6. Which of the following supply chain processes is most impacted by Sarbanes-Oxley Section 401 of balance sheet transactions? A. Vendor managed inventory, B. Third-party logistics partners, C. Outsourced websites, D. Public warehousing. The correct answer is A. Vendor managed inventory VMI provides for suppliers to manage and often own inventory stored on their custom sites. This would be a balance sheet item, inventory maintained at a customer site but owned by the supplier. These transactions and the contracts which regulate the arrangement would be subject to Sarbanes-Oxley reporting. Question number 7. There is a trend in the world to begin to document and lessen the use of resources in making products. One of the resources which can be a problem is wooden pallets, especially those imported from other countries. The primary problem with importing wooden pallets is that they A. Harbor harmful insects, B. Are heavy, C. Are not returned, D. Are not made with indigenous wood. The correct answer is A. The primary problem with wooden pallets is that they can harbor harmful insects. These imported insects may cause significant damage to a variety of crops. Question number 8. Which of the following best describes the term chain of custody when referring to pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Documentation of the storage types and locations for pharmaceutical products. B. Documentation of the humidity and temperature of pharmaceutical products in the supply chain. C. Documentation of ownership of the pharmaceutical products throughout the supply chain. D. Documentation that must accompany pharmaceutical products as they move through the supply chain. The correct answer is D. Documentation must accompany the pharmaceutical products as they make their way from manufacturer to final customer. The documentation verifies who has the custody of the product as it moves through the supply chain. Question number 9. A never-ending effort to expose and eliminate root cause of problems can describe A. Total quality management, B. Continuous improvement, C. Quality improvement, D. Value stream mapping. The correct answer is B. Continuous improvement is the continual effort to eliminate the root causes of problems, therefore by removing waste and inefficiency from a process. Continuous improvement is about improving a process in small incremental steps. Question number 10. The Japanese term for continuous improvement is A. Taichi, B. Heritsu, C. Pokayoke, D. Kaizen. The correct answer is D. Kaizen is the Japanese term for continuous improvement. Kaizen is a long-term approach to continuous improvement with small steps of improvement towards a larger goal. Question number 11. The first step in the continuous improvement process is the process analysis stage. In order to analyze the process properly, it is important to have visibility across the complete supply chain. Which of the following is not one of the 3 V's of supply chain management? A. Visibility, B. Velocity, C. Verticality, D. Variability. The correct answer is C. The 3 V's of supply chain management are visibility, velocity, and variability. Question number 12. After process analysis is completed, the next stage of continuous improvement is A. Process planning, B. Process actualization, C. Process development, D. Process assessment. The correct answer is D. Process assessment occurs after the process analysis and involves setting goals for improvement. The goals can be based on benchmarks against other companies, estimates of the possible improvement, or an arbitrary stretch goal. It can improve the process by 50%. Question number 13. After the process has been analyzed and a goal for improvement has been set, the next step is to A. Buy coffee mugs for the team, B. Immediately cut out process steps, C. Plan the project tasks, D. Establish the meeting agendas. The correct answer is C. Every project needs to have detailed project plans. These are the detailed tasks that need to be completed in order to meet the process improvement goals. Projects entail assigned tasks, accountability, follow-up, and leadership. Question number 14. The use of global positioning systems allow companies to see the entire supply chain. This is an example of A. Vertical visibility, B. Horizontal visibility, C. 360-degree visibility, D. Conical visibility. The correct answer is B. Horizontal visibility refers to the ability to see across all functions in the supply chain. GPS systems allow the real-time tracking of logistics unlike anything in the past. This real-time information can provide supply chain managers the ability to react to problems before they impact customers. Question number 15. Waiting for orders to come in before assembling the product is an example of A. Kaizen system, B. Push system, C. Pull system, D. APICS system. The correct answer is C. Waiting for orders to come in before assembling the product is an example of a pull system. The sales order demand pulls the product through to the customer. Traditional manufacturing to a forecast is considered a push system. Product is pushed out to the customer or inventory if there is no demand. Viewers, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon. Thank you.